Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all would be doing good. I'm doing extremely fine and I welcome you all to yet another video. So this video is not going to be about a review of any particular vehicle or anything like that of sorts. And this video is going to be about this. The key of a Maruti Suzuki Swift ZXi. So basically this is the same key which you get in many of the Maruti cars like the Ertiga, the Swift Desire or even the Baleno, etc, etc. And most of you might be thinking like इसमें क्या है, like what is so different about it. So basically what you must be seeing is that it has two keys, the lock and the unlock, but it has a lot of functions apart from that, many of the hidden functions apart from that, which I would be going to tell you in this video. So this is the car, let me just unlock it right away. So this is the 2010 Maruti Suzuki Swift ZXi, and let me tell you what all features that this hidden key has got, apart from locking and unlocking the car, which you may not be knowing. So yeah. So what if you want to go outside your home and you do not want your cars to make beeping sound like this, which it makes on locking, and this one is for unlocking, right? So what you have to do is you have to simultaneously press these two buttons, the lock and the unlock once, and for 30 seconds your car will not make any sound, like on locking and on unlocking it will not make any sound. So guys, what if you are lost in a huge parking lot like this and you are unable to find your car? So what you have to do is, like currently we know that a car is standing here, but for suppose you do not know where is your car is. So for that you have to make your car sound. So for that you have to activate the siren of your car. So what is the next trick is, you can activate the siren of your Swift or whatever your Maruti car is by pressing these two keys for 5 seconds. So if I just press these two keys for 5 seconds, the car will start to make a siren for continuous 1 minute, and this won't stop until and unless you it will just take 1 whole minute to stop, and till the time you can find your car, and this will just keep bleeping. So yeah, that was the second hack. Hidden feature number 3 which you may not be knowing about your car is, like, if you just unlock your car right away and let me just unlock it. And if you just forget your key inside, right, and you try to lock the doors like this. I've locked the doors, all the doors are locked, like all the doors are locked, as you can see. This one is also locked and all the doors are locked. So if you just keep your key inside and you just lock the door, this door will not get locked. It will sense that the key is inside only and it will get unlocked automatically. So yeah, this was the hidden feature number 3, and then you can lock your car. Feature number 4 is quite obvious and you might be already knowing it. Like if you have a key like this and if you just try to unlock your car from this keyhole by physically inserting the key, so it will start beeping. So yeah, so to avoid it, always use this key, and to switch it off you can just press the button once and the beeping noise will stop. So many a times you might have thought of making a duplicate key for your Swift, Baleno, Ertiga or any of the car which comes with the same key like this, right? So actually what the thing is, let me just sit inside the car. So basically whenever you try to make a identification key for your safety purpose, like if your primary key gets stolen and you wish to start your car from a duplicate key, so let me tell you that is not going to happen. Your car won't start from a duplicate key. That is because this key and the ignition of your car or of the Swift has a RFID tag. That is basically a radio frequency identification tag. So what it basically does is, it is actually present in both the ignition of the car and the key of the car, right? So unless and until those frequencies will match of both the keys and the ignition, the car only will start when both the frequencies will match. Otherwise it won't start. So this is kind of a safety feature. Like from a duplicate key, the thieves can't start your car, or they cannot steal your car. So yeah, you can just start it from here. So yeah, that. So one more feature which you might not be knowing is that if you just unlock your car right away. Sorry, this is also the lock. If you just lock it right away, it will beep only once, right? And if you just unlock it, it will beep twice. But what if I've locked the car right now, and if I try to fiddle with the keyhole of the car, okay, and if I try to unlock it, the car will make an alarm, as I told you. So you can unlock it from here, right, to stop the alarm. So if you just lock it right now, it will make only one noise. But if you try to again unlock it, it will beep 3 times. So instead of beeping only 2 times, this time this this beeped 3 times. So this is a message from the car that it is telling you that over the time somebody has fiddled with your car, and that is what the 3 beeps are trying to tell you. So this is also kind of safety feature. So yeah, this is basically a very smart function. Like if you usually unlock your car, it will just start with it will just unlock with 2 beeps. But if somebody has fiddled your car or has done anything with your car, or has some, like, even if the alarm has been unlocked, so on unlocking it will beep with 3 beeps. So yeah, that is another cool feature. So yeah guys, that was a complete video on the key of the Maruti Suzuki Swift ZXi. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also how can I improve and all that stuff. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe only if you like the content, and stay happy, stay positive, and hope you have a good day. So yeah, bye bye.